The black screen of death issue may occur every now and then, and as long as it's not caused by physical damage, there's a big chance you can fix your phone without going to the tech. More often than not, a phone that's stuck on a black screen has some kind of a firmware issue, which makes it easier to fix. The fact is that you may only need to do one or a couple of procedures to make your phone respond. Again, those procedures are pretty easy to do and safe for your phone and your data. In this video, we will show you how to fix your Samsung Galaxy A71 that's stuck on the black screen of death. First solution, do the force restart. The force restart is your go-to procedure when it comes to fixing a phone that's stuck on a black screen of death. In fact, your troubleshooting should revolve around this procedure because there's not much you can do about a phone that won't turn on or respond except make it show anything on the screen to know that it's still capable of powering up. So to do the force restart, press and hold the volume down button and the power key for 8 seconds. This will often force your device to boot up. If the logo shows, release both keys and allow the phone to continue the boot process. Most of the time, if you can make the logo show on the screen, it's enough of a sign that shows the problem is fixed. However, if this doesn't fix the problem, then move on to the next solution. Second solution, charge your phone and do the force restart. The next thing you have to do if the first solution fails is to charge the phone. It's possible that you just have a drained battery and that the firmware may have stopped responding before the phone ran out of juice. Most of the time, the phone won't respond to its charger or won't show the charging sign when connected. But don't worry, you can still fix it. Here's how. Plug the charger to a working outlet. Connect your phone to using the original charging cable. Regardless of whether the phone shows the charging sign or not, leave it connected to the charger for at least 10 minutes. After that, and while your Galaxy A71 is still connected to its charger, press and hold the volume down button and the power key for 10 seconds or more. When the logo shows, release both keys and should be the end of it, as your phone will continue to boot up to the lock or home screen. The black screen of death problem can always be fixed by any of these solutions. However, if your device is still not responding after doing them, then it's time to have it checked. We hope that this simple tutorial video can be helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.